see the target, but sometimes you're not sure what the target is, so better just ask. All over the ship we are equipped with multifunction display systems. What does this mean? In the past, all the equipments were in different sides of the bridge. You had to jump from one side to another to gain all the information that you need. Nowadays you can have all of it in only one display, and only one display can change its function according to your needs. So one more time, a picture of a radar. As you can see, the small targets, the circles, most likely there's some fishing boats, small targets, and not necessarily equipped with the automatic identification system. And on the starboard side, on the right side of our vessel, you can see a big vessel actually, because it also has the AI system. And then on the left side, on the corner of the screen, you can see the information that we are gaining. It's right here. So you're going to see the CPA, TCPA, name, range. What does this mean? This is the very important information regarding any target. The CPA means the closest point of approach. So this means how close are you actually going to get to that vessel. That's the closest point. Like this you can identify if the target is going to be a danger or not to us. And we have very strict orders from the captain. Usually we try to keep minimum 1 nautical mile CPA. So this is almost 2 land miles away from any target. So just imagine how safe we are if we are able to maintain at least 2 miles. And the TCPA is the time to that closest point of approach. Because sometimes time is more important than distance. At least you know what you have to deal with first. This is something that I've not seen since I was in school, actually around 10 years ago. This is a paper chart. In the past we used to work on this. It was a very tedious work, but also it was pretty much a form of art. It was quite difficult to do, and you don't have to go anymore and open 10 different publications to know exactly what the chart has to tell you. You can just ask it. Then we have the conning display. We need to know all this information, and especially when we are docking, it's going to tell you the lateral speed that you have, the rate of turn, all the fine and small details that are helping us to control the ship to the centimeter. Nowadays we even have one system, it's called Fugro. So basically this is a positioning system. We cannot call it GPS, because GPS is made by USA. It was actually made by the military in the very beginning, and later on we also started using it in the commercial navy. So the GPS is from US, then you have from Europe Galileo system, you have from Russia GLONASS. So this Fugro system is going to use all of them, and is going to create such an accurate picture that when we are entering the port, it's going to tell us by centimeters exactly the position, where we are and where we're supposed to be. This is the control. In the center you have a small board which is working exactly like a mouse pretty much, and a few buttons. Most important is the brilliance. Whenever I come nighttime on the bridge, I want to make sure it's as dark as possible. This is actually the autopilot.